guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we will mix light cream and light tan semi-gloss latex paint. Light cream is warm yellow undertone. We would describe light cream as a perfect, creamy antique white. Light tan is a pale tone of brown. Tan walls look the best with dark furniture. Colors like black, brown, and rust. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button to keep updated on our more upcoming paint mixing videos. Thank you. Our client ordered 1 pail of light cream, semi-gloss latex paint. Let's start by pouring Acrylic color raw sienna on a pail of semi-gloss latex white, followed by gloss latex hansa yellow. Stir the paint very well. Let's compare to the client sample. We are much lighter. Let's add more Acrylic color raw sienna. Let's compare it once again. almost the same, just add a little more raw sienna. Yes, it's the same color already. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless. Let's now mix 1 liter of light tan, semi-gloss latex paint. First, let's put ochre color, raw sienna in a half liter of semi-gloss latex white. Followed by pouring ochre color burnt umber. Also add ochre color, tulidine red. Stir the paint very well. We are much lighter. Let's add more burnt umber to achieve the brownish shade. Oh, we are more on orange peach shade. Let's add more semi-gloss latex white and a drop of ochre color black to reduce the peach shade. It's almost the same. Just add more semi-gloss latex white, burnt umber, and black until it be fully 1 liter. Yes, it's the same color already. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. God bless.